The Punjab government established Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, Punjab, aims to provide a golden opportunity to students of far-flung areas of the northeastern region with a world-class quality technical education and placements in government as well as private sector with a safe, secure and conducive environment for study in the premier institute. Speaking to media persons in Shillong, Registrar of the University Dr. Gurinder Paul Singh Roar said that the university will also provide attractive scholarship schemes, welfare schemes of the centre and state government for Northeast students. Dr. Gurinder stated that recently the university had launched the admission portal of the university for the academic sessions 2022 to 2023 for engineering, architecture and planning, commerce and management, pharmacy, food science and technology, agriculture, aeronautical, aerospace, computational sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, skill development, and online certified courses in emerging technologies that is, data science, blockchain, programming languages, cybercrime, machine learning, patents and IPR, business, intelligence, and many others.
When I talk about Punjab, we are a highly agrarian state. We are the food basket of India. So, education-wise, also we are far ahead. Now, we have two technical universities in Punjab. Both of them have been established by state of Punjab government, and our Chancellor is the Honorable Governor Punjab. Our Chairman BOG is the Principal Secretary Technical Education Punjab. Then we have our Technical Minister is the CM Punjab. And we have the Vice Chancellor. Then we have the other team who administer all the university. Now this university is a latest 12 university in which we have all the courses that are needed in today's modern era. Today, we are here in this state of Meghalaya to enlighten the people on the instructions of our Chancellor, our Chairman BOG and Vice Chancellor. We are here to request you to put our ideas to the public so that they come to know whatever facilities we have. It being a government university, it is 100% university of the state. So any money coming to the university is audited by the government. So your money, your kid is very safe in this university campus. We have around 56 colleges that are affiliated to us, 5 constituent colleges, and 1 we have in the university campus college. So these colleges, we have different types of courses, specialized courses that will be of great help to this state. That includes food technology, agriculture, pharmacy, aeronautical engineering, aeronautical with some management courses. So these are the coming trends in the society. Then all of you will be having a question in your mind, why, being a state university, you have come here. We are here to highlight the universities, and as today's world is very small for education, people are traveling very far. As the kids of this Meghalaya state travel to Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore for education. Similarly, in our state, our kids are traveling abroad. Lot of kids are going to US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK and other European countries. So to meet that demand of those students, we have even gone in for the foreign collaborations with those universities abroad.